This is a representation of the Amdal building. It was case study number 2 for Arts and Architecture 1945, and what we're seeing are the south facing elevations with solar screening elements, and we'll be able to explore how efficient these were, or how we could look at changes in understanding the building and how the building design could be modified or changed. In our sustainability class, we can use a lot of different products as needed and as defined with customers. Here what we are looking at are views created for different times of the year with the changes as the sun rises and sets, and that was produced from Enscape. The 3D model itself, if we wanted to explain the design and investigate how much shading we get from the shading elements or trees or this side of the building, the south side of the building, these can be explored. We could present it in different seasons. That would be done using Twinmotion or similar products. The goal, though, would be in looking at this assembly of courtyards is how do we set up a study so we can look at solar access, how can we define where true north is, and then we can produce some output. We'll look at making changes in the product. Here we're just looking at the shell without any of the shading elements like the roofs, so we can see the penetration of sunlight on the ground floor, but we're not able to quantify it. We can see how significantly different it is for different parts of the year, but we want to be able to come up with some actual values to see how a change in the angles of the louvers that are on the south side and the depth of the louvers, how that actually affects the performance of the building. So what we'll do is modify some elements, and then with a goal to providing more shade in the summer, but then see if it actually affects other values like solar access for the winter.